Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you some Instagram tips and tricks that you may know or might not have known yet. Before we proceed, let's give a shout out from my random subscribers. It's Amrita Acharya. Thanks for your love and support. And also, I will be giving shout out from my random subscriber in coming videos too. So now let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to Techno YouTube channel. The first one is, let us suppose you accidentally post something that you don't want to show people, and also you don't want to delete it. Then you can simply hide the post from your profile. Suppose I want to hide this photo, then you just have to click on the three dot, go to archive. Now you can see it has removed from my profile. To again unhide that post, you just have to click on the up three dot, go to archive, go to the post, go to three dot, and so on profile. Now it will start showing in my profile. So in this way you can hide and unhide the post. I hope this gonna help you so much. The second one is, you can post multiple photos in a single story. For that you have to go to on a story, take any black background image. Okay, like this I have taken here. Now go to the sticker right here up. Now go to the add button. Now choose any photo. This you can adjust the photo according to your screen. Now I'm gonna go to the sticker add button, and you can choose another photo like this. Adjust its size, and again go to the story, again click on, and I'm gonna click this one. Okay, I'm gonna adjust this post here. You can see here I have posted 3 photos in a single story. In this you can post multiple photos in a single story. So that's all for today. I hope you love the videos. So before I sign up, the corona cases increasing day by day, and it's becoming worse and worse. So stay home, wash your hands, sanitize yourself. Take care. Bye bye.